Hello students, in this video we can understand how to use multiplication and autosum in Microsoft Excel. So in this example just I have added to multiply the quantity of fruits and the rate. So now to find the total we have to place the cursor at the E2 and we have to enter the formula C2 into D2. That is we have to multiply quality with the rate. So that is, and now after entering the formula, if you give enter, the sum will be automatically added, and once again if you press the cell and if you drag the same formula below, the answer will be done for the remaining cells. So now to perform auto sum, we have to select the cell and we have to select auto sum, and if we click automatically we get the total in the cell. So in this way we can easily calculate the sum for each fruit. Hope you understood. Thank you.